Hey Leo, what's in that box? All right, today we're gonna talk about chickens. We got some chickens, 8 of them to be exact. We're only allowed to have 5 in Olympia, so if you're from the city, there's 5 chickens in here. We were just banking on a few of them not making it in the long run, so we hedged our bets. So they're not really baby chicks anymore. They're like 4 weeks old now. They're getting ready to go outside in their little coop. But we've wanted to get chicks for a while, and so I thought I'd just talk a little bit about why we got some chicks, some benefits of it. If you're on the fence about getting chicks, do it. Or I don't know, depending on your situation, maybe don't do it. But just want to talk about why we did it. I'm in no way a chicken expert. I'm just a regular person, and you can just go to the store and get chickens. And we had some friends that had chickens, so they gave us their heat lamp, and they gave us their feeder and their waterer. And so all we had to do was buy food and buy chickens and find a box and then get some wood shavings because they smell a little bit. I think we have like 5 reasons. I just wrote them down. 5 reasons we got chicks. Number 1 is so we could teach our kids responsibility. I want them to have some meaningful chores to contribute to the household. So right now they're learning with me how to feed them and take care of them, check their water, and eventually, hopefully, they'll give us some eggs so we can eat. So, geez, they're a little flighty. They don't like me talking. Hey, you guys are fine. The second reason is because we eat like a couple dozen eggs a week, and I just did the math, and that's like $400 and something a year. And so if they produce for a couple years of eggs, then I think they'll pay for themselves at least. And so we got a free chicken coop, so that didn't add anything to the cost, but I think you can get one for a couple $100, or just put one together out of plywood and some sheet metal. And we got all of our supplies for free, and so just the food and the cost of the birds, they're like $5 each. We went to our local farm and garden store, and we got a Rhode Island red, we got some Dominiques, a couple red sex links, a salmon favorel, I think is what it's called, and I think that's all. Oh, and 2 Easter eggers, just because that's fun. But the cost of eggs, it's nice to save a little bit of money. Third reason we got chickens is because the food system is corrupt. I've been doing reading and watching, and with COVID, the food system failing us, it's nice to know where your food comes from. And so this is a thing that we can do in the city. We have like 0.2 acres, so not very much, but we're allowed to keep chickens. So we can also have rabbits too. So if you want to eat rabbits, you can do that in the city. But it's nice to know where your eggs come from, because they're not usually nice to chickens out there in the world. So we're planning to be nice to our chickens. So another reason we got chickens is because they're fun. They're like a little pet. They don't really love to be held or played with, but they're fun to watch, scratch around and mess around. Fourth reason, are we keeping track? Fourth reason is to eat our food scraps, so we don't have to dump all of our food scraps into the garbage disposal or the trash. We do have a worm bin, but we overuse that, so there's bugs in it now. But yeah, they turn your food scraps into edible food. And the sixth reason is I need someone to stir my compost for me. I don't like going out there every day and having to shovel it up. So we gave them access to our compost bin so they can scratch it, dig it, poop in it. And so they're gonna help us with our garden, keep our soil good. Chicken poop, you can buy chicken poop in a bag, or you can get chickens, give them your food scraps, eat their eggs, and let them give you their poop. It's just it adds to the household economy, the ecosystem. So these are our chickens. Maybe I'll do a little tour of our chicken coop, keep you updated on our little mini chicken operation we got going on here. And yeah, if you have any tips for keeping chickens, let me know. I'd love to hear it. But yeah, they're getting a little feisty. They need to get out of this box and get into their coop that we have outside. So that's all. A little chicken update for you.
It's got you in the little. Hey, no, dude. He got out. Shut the door. Shut the door. No. Shut the door. Got out. Oopsies.
You step on him?